Dear students, look, we have this rocket model and here is the launcher. We can use the pressure to send it up. Okay, so here I have a pump. I will use it first, then one by one I will give you a chance. You will check yourself, right?
How far can it go, sir?
It depends on how much it is having the pressure. Okay, how much pressure we can create. So it may go 2 feet, 1 feet, 3 feet. So without using any fuel. Only fuel we are using, that is the energy from our muscles, right?
Why are they not using this thing in real life?
Because that needs to be sent very fast. Oh, it is only 3 feet, right? So now I will call roll number 1. Who is roll number 1?
Archana, sir.
Archana.
Yeah, one.